In 1942, the U.S. military fired 1,400 rounds of ammunition at absolutely nothing. Air raid sirens woke up Los Angeles, and searchlights locked onto unknown objects hovering over the coast. For an hour, artillery shells exploded above the city, raining shrapnel on homes and terrifying civilians. But when the smoke cleared, there were no enemy planes and no wreckage found anywhere. The government called it nerves, but witnesses swore they saw something. What was really hovering over LA?